Hello, hello. Can you guys hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So our meeting will start after 5 minutes later. Hello. Can you guys hear my voice? So may some of you guys may have known me, but my still will have formal introduce. Okay, for myself. So this is Hunter, and I'm mainly take in charge of the IIoT and Code 6 product. Okay, so if you guys have some regarding how of some HMI issue, you can ask me. Okay. So, but before we getting started, I have something to talk about. So, this elementary training is not only about beginner, but also for the trainer. Okay. So I hope we have a good start on this training. Then you guys can gather some your user or your clients to hold the training or city cinema locally. Okay. So it is our goal. So which it helps us to widely spread the Wacom products and brands to net more and more people to know Wacom to so to help us to widely spread the Wacom products and brands. Okay, and to let more and more people to know us brand, to know Wacom, to understand Wacom, and to use Wacom. Okay, I think it is very meaningful for us. Well, that's what I want to talk about. So let me share my screen. Okay. Let's formally start our topic today. Can you guys see my screen now? So our today's main topic, we will divide into main two topics. One is about the project update, and another one is the remote access. So in the first part, I want to talk about the project update. So it is first point is project download and upload, and the second one is the decompile, and the third one is U-disk download, and four is calibration, and the last one is about the background interface. So for the project download, if we want to download the project from the PC to HMI, we can click this one, PC to HMI, this button, and may have some new customers may don't know where to click this HMI to PC, because if we directly on the PI Studio, we will see this this HMI to PC button is disabled, right? So this button is only available on when the user open the download tool from the shortcut menu from the startup. Okay, so just like this one. So I go to the PI Studio, click. So we can see this HMI to PC is available. Here is the review. If you want to review the video, you can go to our YouTube channel. Okay. And the second one is about the decompile. The decompile tool is for unzip the HMI project from this WMT or WMT3 to the PI format. Okay, so we can go to this go to this click this one. Then you will pull up this decompile window. Then we can browse the file location to find the WMT or WMT3 file. Then we can here is the unzip location. And also after, if you want to automatically to open the project after the compile, we can click the option. Okay. And also in the video you can check. And about the pen drive, you disk download. First we need to also need to go to the toolbar to click the UDisk download. Okay. And so we need to go to this tab window to generate one pen drive files. Then we can insert into the UDisk in HMI. Okay. Then we go to the HMI background interface. So this background interface is long press the up right corner. So the following I will show. Okay.
ભાઈ તારામાં આટલો એક્સપોર્ટ કરી રાખને.
Sorry.
તારામાં આટલો એક્સપોર્ટ કરી જોઈન તો થઈ જવા તો. પણ એમ નહીં.
Maybe you can.
માર તો બંધ છે.
Or recording. I'm recording this video. Okay. So this first we need to generate. Okay. Then we need to, and also we need to check about the HMI system version. It is a version 1 or version 2, 2.0. Then, so could you please mute yourself first? Okay, so after we select the file type to update the project, right? So we can to browse the pen drive root path. Must remember this must be the root path. Cannot including the UDisk folder. Okay. Then we can click OK. So after we enter the background interface, we long press the upper right corner of the screen. Then we select the tab, Update tab, and there is one HMI project inside the Update interface. Then we can click the download and waiting HMI pull up the download successfully window. So this is also have we have the video on the YouTube, so you can also to track the link. Okay, I have add into this PowerPoint, and the next one is about calibration. Calibration is sometimes the touch will not accurate, right? So we may need to use this function to calculate calibrate the touch operation. So you can see here is for calibrating the HMI touch when you conduct the screen drift or on the coordinates of the HMI interface are swift. So user can use this function to recover it. So first method is to there are two methods to calibrate. One is to using this download tool. So we can see here on the download tool we can click this recalibration button. Okay. So after click it, then the HMI screen will jump into the calibration this calibration screen. Then we can using the screwdriver or some sharp tool to touch this 5 coordinate on the HMI screen. Okay. Then HMI will automatically restart. And another one is to using the file. So we can create a text document. So this counter is for countdown number for entering recalibrate screen. So we need to rename it as delete touch dot data. Then we copy it into the pen drive and insert into the HMI. Then after we insert it and reboot HMI, so you can also jump into this calibration screen. Okay. So you can also to check the Wacom support center link for this part. Any question? Any question for this part?
Yes.
Yeah.
I have a question. Is this session recorded?
You mean
will be recorded?
Record video, right?
I mean, this session will be recorded.
Recorded. I have recording the video.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be available anytime. Yes.
Of course.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, welcome. So the last part for the project update is for background interface. Okay. So last point we're talking about we need to update the HMI projects on background interface. So uh,
Hello,
after
sir.
we yeah.
I have a question, sir. In previous slide, I see that in the IP address, what is the signification of IP address? It, it does mean the IP address is whenever we will make some communication between HMI with PLC
So
and the IP address
sorry,
signify the.
your voice is not clear.
Am I audible, sir?
Sorry, your
Hello,
voice not clear.
am I audible? Hello.
Hello.
Hello, wait, sir. Wait, sir. I just reconnect and rejoining.
Yeah, you connect to what?
Okay, okay.
Maybe you can type on the chat. Okay. I will maybe we will check later.
Am I audible, sir?
Okay. What?
Hello.
Hello. I can hear you.
Okay. Is in the previous slide I have seen that IP address. What does the signification of the address? It mean whenever PLC communicate with the HMI and the IP address shows the HMI IP address.
You mean IP address of PLC?
Sir, in previous slide, please open the previous slide. I have a question.
Uh huh.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. You can go
Am I
ahead.
audible? Okay. In previous slide, I just see the IP address.
IP
In
address.
top right corner. Yes, IP address.
You mean this one?
This one.
You mean this one? IP address on the download tool?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what's your question?
What?
So
What?
what's your question about this IP address?
Yes. I mean to say, sir, what is the signification of IP address? If there's cases, if I transfer a program from PC to HMI, and IP address is mean to uh, for which terminal the IP address signified that.
So actually, if PC and HMI, if we on the same LAN, so on the here we can see here is the search bar of download tool. Okay, so if your PC and your HMI is on the same LAN area network, then we can detect the IP HMI IP automatically. Okay, so it will show the HMI IP on this area. Also after you enter the also enter the background interface, you can also see the on the network tab. Okay, on the network tab you can see the HMI IP. Then uh, you can directly input this IP into the download tool. Then proceed the download operation. Okay. Also, if you no have other question, then I continue my topic. Okay. So after we long past the up right corner, okay, of the screen, then we can go into this background interface. So we can see here 5 tabs on this interface. One is the about and the network and use speed update, and one is the system and the restart. So on this background interface, we can change some here describe about we can set up some function. For example, the download the HMI project, changing the system time, and without we download the HMI project. Okay. And this part about information is for meaning to display some HMI version and HMI machine code. So sometimes we need to some customer want to feedback, has some issue to need to feedback. So we the first information we must required is about the HMI version. So this HMI version is very important information for us. Okay, to judge the maybe if the HMI version is too old, we can ask customer to or user to update the HMI version first. And the network part, this part is for changing or displaying HMI the network connection. Okay, so we have 4 sub tab. One Ethernet, WWLAN, and 4G and extend. So we can change the DHCP or static IP on here, and WLAN is for changing the Wi-Fi information. So we can set SSID and password, and 4G is for to display some ICCID, some 4G information, and we can change the APN parameters. And on the extension extent, we can check the network connection to the WINET platform. Okay. And the third tab is for the update. So this part we can update we can see here we can update the HMI project, HMI firmware, and HMI PLC project. So if we generate the corresponding file, then we can we insert into the pen drive into the HMI, so it will appear the corresponding file on this tab. And system is for changing some bin sound and some data time setting, and also the backline in the COM port parameters. So also this we have a video so you can review on the YouTube channel. So any question for this the first topic about the project update? If not, I go to the hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Just I want to ask about the IG series.
yeah.
I have already ordered the IoT series,
Mm-hmm.
15 inch.
Yeah, 50 inch.
Yes, it have any difference? It I mean, all HMI in Weekend have one software.
Sorry.
I mean, all HMI series
Uh-huh.
use the same software.
Yes, yes. Of course.
Yes, the same one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
So we go to the second topic of today's training. Okay. Second topic is about the remote access. So this part is mainly for the IG series. Okay. So also have we divide into 4 points. One is the remote monitoring, and the second one is serial port pass-through, and the third one is WVPN pass-through, and the last point is about the remote download for the HMI project. So first about the remote monitoring. So we need to understand that if user want to using the remote function, it must be something some model like left side. Okay, it is IG or IG-C. Okay, so if it is IG dash O, it is not able to support, not able to support remote function. Okay, it is only available on the local area network. So first we need to on the data tool, we need to enable the cloud. Okay, we making a project. So after we go into the tab, we need to select the corresponding server. One is China, one is Asia, and one is Europe. So we select the corresponding server and click the OK. So we download after we finish the project. We download the project so we can click this machine code to copy it. Okay, so it will like here said to it is, yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, what was your question?
Can you read the chat, please? I wrote down my question in the chat. It's about 2 slides ago.
WeChat, you mean WeChat?
No, the Zoom chat.
Oh, Zoom chat.
I asked
Okay.
if the you can go 2 slides ago if you want. 2 slides back. I mean,
If the second, why does not?
I was
Oh,
talking
okay.
about the IG models.
Okay. You mean this one, right?
Yes.
That show. Because some because some distributor they sell they sell something model like this, but some of you may not sell about this model. So if you see it within this dash O, the name model name with this dash O, which means it no support remote, okay. And the other only other model or support the remote function.
Okay, so it's about the zero in front of IG, right?
Yeah. So you never see this model name, right? So it is indeed like a little bit confused about this IG naming rule. So that's why we need to notice that this only this dash O or dash zero, yeah, as you said, is not able to using the VNet platform to upload the cloud.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So after we click this machine code, then it can automatically copy into the passport. Then we can go to the VNet platform to paste it. And before we bind our device, we can check the HMI network condition. Okay, so you can see the lamp indicator is on the bottom right corner. So if this cloud icon is light on, which means it is able to online VNet platform. So if HMI model is support, so user can enable corresponding tab function on the tab. So if you using a W model, so we can, which means it is Wi-Fi model, so we can enable on this WLAN tab. If you using AG or G on the model name, so you can enable the 4G function on the 4G tab. Okay, so but before you using the 4G or Wi-Fi, we need to notice the antenna must be insert. Okay. So sometimes it makes the lamp indicator is not light on. So the user can go to this extent extend tab to diagnose this HMI network condition. So it can help us to generally to locate where is the issue. So it is you can see if my network condition is okay, so it will show this server delay on this tab. Okay. So here is for to select the networking priority selection. So if model is spot, so we can select it. And after we down the HMI site, then we go to the VNet client, right? So we can go to the VNet platform. First, we need to have the account. Then we go into the corresponding server. And here we passed the machine code. We just, yeah.
Yes, sir. Where we can find this screen, this login?
Sorry?
My question is where we can find this screen that
Find
you
this screen.
working.
You mean this
Yes,
screen?
because I am beginning about HMI and PLC.
Oh, okay. Because this is another software, you know. It is VNet. It is called VNet client.
Yes.
So you need to download from our official website or our
Yeah.
support center.
Okay.
You can
I get it. Thank you.
find the software link on.
Yeah, I see. Thank you.
Okay.
But about the server, I have another question about the server. If I am from Asian region, could I use any server like China, Europe, or should I correspond that with my country, or does it depend?
It depends on which server is more close to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, I see.
So on after we log in successfully, okay, we can click this add icon, this plus icon. Maybe I need to re-enter. So click this plus icon, then paste the machine code, and then this password is 6A. Okay. If you not change it, and name the HMI, then we can click OK to finish it. So after we bind our device successfully, so you can see the device is appear on our device list. So you can see it is successfully bound. So also after we add our device successfully, also we can see it on the VNet app. Okay. We also have Android and the iOS app. You can download it. So on the device, you can see, and here is test is my HMI. So go to this web SCADA. We can see the remote monitoring screen of the HMI. So this is our app, okay, Winner app. Also for the app we can add device, okay. So it is to scan the QR code on the back label of the HMI. So user can using this one to buy into the account. So here you can see I click a little bit fast. So you can see to click this one. This is to using a cell phone camera to scan the QR code, okay. So after the scan successfully, so it will appear the machine code number. So then we can click OK. Also send to 6A. So I name the HMI device as obtained from QR. And select group, default group, and so after to show up this successfully tab, then we can see it is appear on my device list. So it is the first point. It's about remote monitoring. Okay. The second point is about the serial port pass-through. Okay. So first thing we need to make sure that the PLC HMI is communicate successfully. So here is I controlling the PLC address. So after we set up the communication successfully, then we go to the pass-through interface to set up the pass-through parameter, and we need to notice that this pass-through parameter must be consistent with the communication parameter. Okay, so if PLC communication is set up like RS485 and 9600, something like that, so my pass-through parameter also need to be same. Okay. Also we can change the virtual serial port, and we need to notice that this port is not occupied by other software. Then user can go to this configuration to change the corresponding virtual serial port. Then we need to click this start pass-through. So if we see this tab window succeed, this window show up, which means the channel is set up. So here I'm using the 5V as the demonstration. Okay. So here I set the same baud rate and click communication test. So if it showed successfully, so you can see here I'm not using a USB or Ethernet. Okay, I'm using the third one. Maybe not very. So here you can see I'm using the third one connection method. This here is for serial connection. Okay. So if should this successfully connect, which means I can proceed the download and monitoring the PLC. Okay. And the third one is about the WVPN pass-through. So also the same to the serial pass-through, we need to make sure the PLC HMI is communicated successfully. So which means the network channel is okay. So after that we need to select the obtain method of the local IP. Okay, so this IP is for the PC. So according to the, for example, I'm using the static IP to communicate with the 5V PLC. So I need to also to set the static IP on here. Then click start pass-through. Also it will show up in the succeed window. Then we can go to the next step. So because WVPN is using a network adapter, so we need to confirm that on the networking this connection center, we will appear one tab Windows adapter V9. So it is network adapter for the WVPN. Okay, so if it is show up, which means the channel is set up successfully. Then also same way, next step is to go to the PLC software and select this TAP Windows adapter V9 and input our PLC IP. So if show up this successfully connection, so then we can do our download and monitoring, something like that. So all this operation is not is quite simple. Okay. So last one is about the HMI remote download. So it is just to click this to configuration configure the HMI software installation path, then click this start pass-through. Then the download tool will pull up automatically. Then we can download to find the WMT or the WMT3 file. Okay. To proceed in the download. Also, we have the video on for the on the topic above, so you also can check. So here is all for the video. So that's on the content I want to introduce. Okay. So did you have any question for today's topic?
It's all fine. Just send the link to the chat, please, so we can review if you need.
Okay.
And that's all. I think
Okay.
everything is all right.
Okay. I will send the link. So if you don't,
The link and the presentation as well.
of course,
It's as well.
I will. So if you guys don't have any question, then we end today's meeting. Okay. So thanks for you guys listening and attending. Okay. See you next week. Next Monday. Okay. Goodbye. Goodbye everyone.